Welcome to weekly view on markets. Banks, financials, and pharma sectors led the rally during this week, and Nifty gained around 0.5% during this week. Bank Nifty gained around 1.5%, and mid cap index gained 1.27%. Small cap index consolidated with minor losses. Technical charts look strong and indicate further upside for the markets in the coming week. GDP growth for the second quarter has come. It is at 8.2%. It will be a positive trigger for the market. RBI policy meeting in the second week of December will drive the market direction further in the second week. We have seen earnings recovery in the September quarter results, and December quarter results will be better than the September quarter results. India US trade deal will be an additional boost when it is signed. It is expected to be signed before December. All these data points indicate a positive December month for the markets, and we will see higher levels for the markets. Now, let us look at performance of indices during this week. Nifty closed at 26,202. It is the all time high. It gained 134 points, that is 0.5%. Bank Nifty closed at 59,752. It has gained 885 points, that is 1.5%. So I had mentioned about 2 weeks back that the Bank Nifty is likely to hit 60,000. We are somewhere near touching 60,000. Mid cap index closed at 61,043. It is also at all time high. It gained 766 points, that is 1.27%. Small cap index lost 18 points and it has closed at 17,829. Small cap index is the only index which is below the previous high. India VIX is at 11.61. It has come down by around 14%. Almost all the sectors gained during this week. Pharma sector gained 1.85%. Media and PSU banks gained about 1.6%. Metals, information technology, healthcare all gained around 1.4%. Private banks, defense stocks, NBFCs all gained more than 1%. Auto manufacturing, consumer durables all gained between 0.5 to 1% during this week. Public sector stocks lost about 1.24%. Oil and gas, energy, realty, infrastructure, all these sectors consolidated with minor losses. Now let us look at technical charts. This is the daily chart of Nifty index. Nifty index, we can see it is almost crossed the previous high and it is at a record closing of 26,202. And if we look at this kind of structure, a sharp fall, then a consolidation, a move after that consolidation, and then going above the previous high. This kind of formation is called rounding bottom, and it has a quite bullish implications in technical theory. Nifty, when it crosses the previous high and start trading higher than the previous high, it has got lot of bullish implication. This is the chart of Nifty mid cap index. Mid cap index also we can see is at record high levels, and again the structure looks quite similar to the Nifty structure. The whole this structure looks like a rounding bottom which has got bullish implication. We will see higher levels for mid cap index also in coming weeks. This is the chart of Nifty small cap index. This is the support line at 17,500 and resistance line is at 18,500. So Nifty has been trading in this 1,000 range almost for about 3 months now. From September onwards, it is within this 1 month 1,000 range, 17,500 to 18,500. And the all-time high of Nifty small cap index is at around 19,300 levels. When it comes out of this range and it goes above 18,500, then it will have bullish implication. Till such time, Nifty small cap index may trade within this range only. This is the chart of Bank Nifty index. We can see Bank Nifty index after consolidation. This was the consolidation period. After that, it has started a upward trending channel. These two lines they indicate upward trending channel, and based on this, support seems to be somewhere around 57,500 for Bank Nifty. And since it is in a blue sky territory, if we project the resistance line further, the resistance for Bank Nifty will be at around 62,000 levels. Now let us look at some of the macroeconomic fundamental parameters. India's macroeconomic parameters continue to remain quite stable and we are gaining strength over the months and quarters. RBI forex reserves is at 688.1 billion US dollars. It has come down by 4.43 billion US dollars in this week. Forex rate is at 89 rupees 46 paise per dollar. Rupee has weakened in last 2 weeks. Dollar index is at 99.72. So dollar index has moved from 97 to 100 level. That is the reason we see that rupee has weakened against dollar, and almost all the other currencies have weakened against the dollar. Brent crude price is at $62.32 per barrel. Lower crude price is good for Indian economy. Gold is at record high of 1,26,920 for 10 grams 24 carat. The demand for gold is unabated because many central banks have been buying gold. They want to increase their gold reserves. That is the reason we see that gold prices are continuously sustaining at higher level. FII have sold 3,659 crore in equity during this week. DIIs have bought 22,762 crore in equity during this week. Continued FII buying is giving a support to the markets. Quarterly two GDP figures have come. The GDP has grown at 8.2%. It is higher than the estimates and it is at a 18 quarter high. And also as per RBI released data, fiscal deficit is within the target for the year and inflation also is trending down. So RBI may cut interest rate in December policy meeting. There is a RBI meeting in the second week of December. So if the rate cut happens, that will give big boost to the financial sector. Manufacturing has grown at 9.2%. This is also much higher than the estimates. Higher GDP figures with strength from the manufacturing sector will create employment and jobs for the people. This shows that economy is on a strong footing, which will create jobs for the people. Markets are trading at lifetime highs, and the GDP figures which have come at the weekend will give further wings to the markets. We will see markets at higher levels in the coming week. Investors and mutual fund investors should remain invested. They should continue their SIP investments. Market will create new highs and give good returns for investors. This is all for this week. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. You can refer to your friends. You can ask your questions, which I will reply. We will meet again next week. Thank you.